Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different as I'm doing an unboxing for Madalynne Intimates. So Madalynne recently came out with her 8711 bra kit, and this is her first one that actually comes with the pattern in the kit as well as a monowire. This is her first underwired bra. So the first thing that comes with the 8711 bra kit is the pattern, so you can see what the finished product will look like. So I actually bought another kit with this fabric, but this is the 8711 bra and panty set. So each kit comes with enough fabric to make both the bra and panty set, which is amazing. And it has all the instructions in here as well as on her website. She has tons of PDFs and information on how to create her products. So the monowire, I've never heard of monowires before this project, but this is my size monowire. She has a complete guide on her website on how to find your size of monowire. For example, my bra size, I measure at a 30C, however, places don't usually carry that size, so I wear a 32C. For her kit, I actually measured at a 32D, which I was kind of afraid of, but I spoke to her, I just sent her an email about it, and she said it would fit perfectly. And also, if I cut it, say, make everything, and it doesn't fit, there's always enough fabric in her kits to make another set if I have to. So this is the 8711 bra kit, and I also chose the pink version. There are a few versions on the website that you can check out. And to open it, there's just this little ribbon tab, and you just pull it open. So the set comes with a little pulley system for the bra straps, and also, which I think is amazing, there are two different sizes of hook and eye clasps for the back. Usually a woman with a larger bust will go with a bra that has 3 or 4 hook and eye sets. I'll probably use the 2 set since I have a smaller chest, but that's awesome that she gives you both sizes depending on who you're making it for, if you're making it for yourself or someone else, and everything's included. So also, this one fell out, don't mind that. But she sends you all of the elastic for under your bust, the shoulder strap elastic, and the channeling, which is amazing. Also included is the Laundress New York Delicate Wash in the lady scent. This is for silk, synthetics, and blend, and it's good for one hand wash or a small machine load. And this is for delicate fabrics, and you usually wash all of your fabric before you sew something with it. I never do that, and apparently you're not really supposed to with delicates, like if you're making a bralette or some panties or something. So I'm going to read up more on that on her website because she has all that information for free on her blog. So go check that out if you want to learn more about the washing process or even the bralette making process. So the last tidbit that comes in here is the fabric. I chose the pink version of this kit. This is the fashion fabric or the outer fabric, and then it comes with a power mesh and the lining as well. So it's 2 different linings, a little different than her other projects. So that is everything that comes in the 8711 bra kit, and I can't wait to make this. I am so excited. It's going to be so cute and delicate. So you can find all of the information on Madalynne's website, which also will be linked down below. She has tons of information and a lot of blog posts about bralettes and making them, and all of the free patterns. She has 4 free patterns on her website right now, which is amazing. And she also hosts bralette making parties in New York and I think in Philadelphia, where she is. So if you're in the area, you can totally check out her classes. I think she's also going to San Francisco, which is so cool because she's going to go to the West Coast and teach you guys how to make some bras. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my first unboxing video. Be sure to check out my blog and my Instagram as I will have more content about the process and all the kits there. And be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, make sure you hit the big red subscribe button down below so that you don't miss any of my content. And to make sure you don't miss any of my content, be sure to just click the little bell button and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Be sure, like I said, to check out my blog and my Instagram for more information about the Madalynne bra kit. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!